everybody. Pag-uusapan po natin ang Villa Escudero. Disclaimer lang po, this is an old video that we took long time ago, and I just want to share you guys. And the quality of the video, pasensya na, is not really very good. It's a GoPro. Masyadong shaky siya, kaya natingin ko ganito pala ka-shaky ang GoPro before. Kaya ang una nating pag-usapan ay dapat dalahin natin ang ating family doon sa Villa Escudero, kasi mas masaya naman kasi pagkasama mo ang iyong family at saka friends. May entrance fee po yan. Fee mo ay kasali na doon ang food. So okay lang. Medyo may kamahalan pero worth it naman. Pumunta kayo doon sa Villa Escudero, dapat hindi ka busog. Pwede naman kumain, kailang wag kang busog kasi included na doon ang pagkain. Oo, dapat pumunta kayo doon, timing mo na it's yung noon na ba, tanghali na, kasi sarap kumain pag gutom ka, saka madami naman. It's unlimited naman yung food, saka masarap ang mga pagkain doon. Dapat nyo ring malaman pag pumunta ka doon is hindi kasali ang drinks. Tubig pwede, pero pag if you like Coke or Sprite, yan, mga inumin, buko juice, hindi nakasali yun. You have to pay for it. That's extra money.
I'm so lame, I'm feeling so wired. It's 4 AM, I'm not even tired. We're in your car, we can drive.
So, syempre, pag pumunta ka doon, kailangan mo ng camera. Kasi, yan lang talaga. It's parang documentation mo yan. Kailangan magdala ka ng camera para picture-picture naman or magbablog ka at ma-share mo naman. Hindi naman pagbabrag. Hindi lang kasi ako, mahilig kasi ako mag-picture-picture at saka mag-video-video. It's just a documentation. Yung magdala ka ng camera, diba? Alam mo naman tayong mga Pinoy, mahilig sa picture.
In your car, we can drive away.
Kailangan mo rin magdala ng mga swimwear at saka extra clothes if you plan on swimming, kasi may swimming pool din doon. Yung pumunta kami, wala naman kaming dala kasi after that, we just went there to watch and eat lunch. Tapos pumunta kami, we went somewhere else to see another tourist spot. So, kung gusto nyo talaga, mas maganda talaga na you stay there and swim and really enjoy it, no rushing. So I would suggest that.
You just right what I needed. Take me there. We can drive away. Oh yeah.
At huwag nating kalimutan na mag-enjoy talaga din. So if you are gonna go there, enjoy it. Enjoy the moment. Wag lang negative vibes. Yun lang po guys, ang aking masasabi. Have fun. Bye. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Here's click dito banda. Click it here. Bye.
Sa mga kapamilya natin na gusto talagang malaman kung ano yung mga tour sa Pilipinas o kahit sa ibang bansa, mag-subscribe lang kayo sa YouTube channel ng aking auntie, si Elvis Elvis Family YouTube channel. Subscribe na!